My name is Amy and my channel is Beauty and Beyond, and today we're going to go beyond beauty to talk about home organization. Do you know that feeling whenever you move into a new home and you're tired and you just want to get everything off of the truck and somewhat unpacked and somewhat organized, and then later you realize maybe this isn't the best place for these items, or maybe this organizational system is not super working for me? I'm here today to tell you that I'm in that place right now. We just moved into a new place about 2 months ago, and I'm realizing that some of the storage is very small and the things that I have right now are just not working. Where I have things are not working. And so I'm going to take you along with me today as I do a little bit of reorganizing, and I will be purchasing some things at a later date to help with the organizational issues. My plan is, this is my closet and my husband's closet is over here and the door is right there. So I really don't want a whole lot in his closet because we have to shut the door in order to get into his closet. So my closet kind of needs to be the main thing, the main like working space. So I'm going to open it up and I'm going to take you a little closer so that we can see the mess that I have in this space. This is my side of the closet. The top rack is really not super usable in my opinion. I don't want to put too much near the light bulb. So I'm thinking maybe some things could go on either side of the light bulb. Here are my shoes and shorts and pants. Super organized and so much fun. And then here are my shirts, extra hangers, dresses. And then at the bottom is where I keep my laundry basket. And then this is the towel laundry basket. Here is my husband's side of the closet. When this door is open, you can't get into the closet. So let's open this up, and his is okay, but not super great. We have an extra blanket cover, a dress that's too small for my daughter, pants, most of which he's not wearing right now, many jackets, like suit jackets that he's not wearing right now. And at the bottom, he has more clothes of my daughter's that don't fit, a pillow, and his dirty clothes basket. Again, I don't really want to use this space for too much. Like, I could put the towels over here, and I may try it just to see. But my plan is I'm going to take a lot of this stuff out because he's not wearing it and put it in a different closet to free up some space, and I won't need to like buy anything for that one. For mine, ultimately I would like to get some kind of small shoe storage, but I don't know where I'm going to put it. One of the hanging ones would be really nice. Anyway, it's a lot. Let's take you into the other room where I'll show you where some of this overflow will go. This is a closet in another room that's just an extra room. My daughter's bedroom is very small, and so for her queen size bed, there's not enough room for a bed and a dresser, so we got rid of her dresser and got a chest of drawers, a small one. So this is going to be kind of like her hangout room. I'm not too worried about what it looks like per se, but this is going to be the overflow. There were a ton of books right here. This whole shelf was full of books. She has so many books. So my plan is I'm going to take those down. I'm going to put these boxes down in the basement. And these pants are mine and they're too small, so we'll figure out what we're going to do with that. This little contraption will stay in here because there's really nowhere else for it to go. And then there's some more of my boots that I'm going to need to like move into my closet since it's almost winter time. This is the closet in our hallway that houses all of our towels and some extra bathroom things. I plan on moving a lot of that around too. Here I'm just folding the pants a little bit neater, and I'm going to continue to move off all of the things on that shelf so that I have that whole entire shelf to be able to use for our extra things. And that stuff that's Abby's, I will put somewhere else. As I moved things out of the closet, I noticed there were some things on the floor, so I took the time while it was mostly empty to go ahead and give it a fresh vacuum. Now it's time to clear out all of the extra things that don't really belong in this closet, like the bedding and the clothes, etc. And we're going to move it to a different home. It's later in the day and the lighting is a little bit different, so I am sorry about that. Now I'm back in my closet. I am taking the time to, neatly fold my pants and kind of sort them. I'm going to put the shorts in a different spot since it's almost, shorts weather is almost gone. And, like jeans and dress pants. I'll kind of separate those so it'll be a little easier to find. And then I'm organizing my shoes so that they're easier to find as well. Made an unexpected decision and decided to move this container from the extra bedroom closet into here. This houses a lot of our extra bathroom stuff. Toothpaste, soap, my makeup cleaning things, and nail polish, and just a bunch of extra stuff. And then in the hallway closet, I also had a whole bunch of this kind of stuff. So what I think I'm going to try to do right now is go through this and get it organized and try to fit as much of this stuff into that container so I can use this basket or something else. Now I'm working in the hallway closet. I really wanted to try to get it a little bit better organized and a little more functional. I'm fussing around with this extra container that has medicine in it and trying to find a place for it to fit, and as I'm doing that, I'm realizing that it needs to go in my closet so it's closer to the actual bathroom. I'm refolding towels. My daughter is in charge of folding her own towels, but since, I'm in here and I'm getting organized and getting everything looking really nice, I decided to go ahead and fix them so that they looked a little bit nicer. So I think that I'm totally a lot happier with this closet. I need to do a load of towels for Abby and for us. So it looks a little empty, but all of that empty space will eventually be filled. And then there's room down here to be able to put like any different items that come up. And then eventually I may get like a little small container, like a small basket to put those candle waxes in so that they don't get lost. Here is my closet for now. I have shoes and pants that I can actually wear right now. I have put some weight back on, so some of my clothes don't fit anymore. So shoes and that, I took out all of my like Christmas shirts and shirts that were too small and put those in the closet you'll see in a second. And then I have my dresses that still fit right there. Now down at the bottom, I have my other 2 pair of boots that I'm not going to wear like right now down there. And then here is the rest of our bathroom stuff. So this was like my main goal, was to be able to fit these 2 things in our bedroom because they're not going to fit in the bathroom. It's very small. So that I don't have to go hunt for where everything is. It's in this room somewhere, and so that will be very helpful. And then my laundry basket will go right there. And my husband's closet now has room for his boots to go up there, and his other shoe. He's a man, he doesn't have a whole lot of shoes. His pants are there, and then shirts, you know, that he wears, and the jackets that he wears. And then he, in his closet, will hold the towel basket and then his dirty clothes basket. So, you know, ultimately, we still are going to have to open the door, but that's just the way it is. And the last closet that I have gotten situated is in the extra room. This box up here holds my daughter's baby clothes, so I don't really need that anytime soon, but I don't want to put it in the basement either, so we're going to keep it right there. My pants that I don't fit in, and some shorts and out of season shoes. Then my husband's jackets that are on the smaller side, shirts on the smaller side, and then my clothes on the smaller side too. And then down at the bottom now is going to be like our extra bedding. We don't use flat sheets very often. So they just usually stay in a drawer. Comment below to tell me, do you use flat sheets? We don't. And there it is. Thank you so much for coming along with me today as I got a little bit better organized in my new space. This is just kind of the perils of moving. You think in your mind, you know exactly where you want everything to go. And then when you start living, you realize maybe best laid plans need a little bit of tweaking. If you like home content and beauty content, I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. Click the like button and let me know your best organizing tips in the comments below. I'll see you later. Bye.